Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 34. Saram. Saram. This is the Korean term for person. Again, the term saram is the Korean term for person. Again, that's saram. How do you write saram in Hangul? This is composed of two syllables. For the first syllable sa, we need to draw first a siyat character followed by an a character. For the second syllable ram, we need to draw a real character, an a character, and a miyam character. And with that, you've just learned saram. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 24 to 33. But don't forget our word for today, word number 34, saram, which means person. The first word for our review is 죄송합니다, which means I'm sorry to disturb you. Word number 32 is kabang, which means bag. Word number 31 is 잘 부탁드립니다, which means please take care of me. Word number 30 is 또 보자, which means see you again. Word number 29 is 이따 봐, which means see you later. Word number 28 is 그냥, which means just because. Word number 27 is 빨리, which means quickly or fast. Word number 26 is 잠깐만, which means just a second. Word number 25 is Gomawo, which means thank you. And the last word for our review, word number 24, Chingu, which means friend. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.